Hello there people and welcome to my brand new review. In this review we will test how to get the latest working Delta Executor for your Roblox absolutely free, safe and online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android, your iOS devices or even with your PC. So for a start, let's go to this website. It's called blockspan.com. You will find it easily and click on Delta Executor. So it should load up and then we will enter our Roblox username or our user ID. So guys, don't worry because it's the only thing that we will actually enter here. And I will continue with my username, click done, click connect the server, and you should get this. If it's your account, just click connect and wait until it connects and you should get this. So guys, there we go. Now we will click import latest executor, and if you want, you can select additional scripts to install along your Delta. So I'll go with NICUs and Solix Scout with this two. Click continue after you select this, guys, and it will start connecting to the API. So guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials. And look at this. API request success. Our key is there and our two scripts selected are ready to be imported. Look at this, guys. And now we'll have to click verify and complete now because there are many bots and many malicious attempts. Just click verify and complete now and let's see what we will get. So there we go, imported. Our Delta and our username are there. And guys, also our two scripts imported and our unique key is generated. Guys, just click copy, and before you get this imported page, if you're detected as a bot, you might be asked to complete two simple tasks from the list you get. But don't worry because all tasks are free and safe and it won't take more than 2 minutes of your time to complete it. So after you complete two tasks, you will get redirected to this imported page with your username, your Delta, your script selected and your unique key generated. Just click copy, guys, and close this page. After this, open your Roblox and let's see what we'll get after this. Okay, we'll open Blox Fruits, for example. I'll click play and let's see, are we actually getting our Delta Executor imported? Okay, there we go, guys. Look at this. We got our Delta Executor imported successfully. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. Now we will paste our key and we'll see easy. Oh my god, it worked. It actually worked. We got the latest working Delta Executor imported. Look at this, guys. Also, we got our two scripts selected. I'll click on Solix Cup, for example, guys. Let's open this and let's test, is it actually working? So we should get script imported now and fully working. And okay, look at this. We can enable and disable literally options that we like. Look at this, guys. How many options we have. Oh my god. Finally working Delta. Let's open this option, guys, for auto farm, and look at this. It's auto farming. So this Delta is working amazing and it's only available on blockspan.com. So guys, if you want me to generate free key for you, just comment down below your username or your user ID and comment key near it and I will drop you a unique key. I will generate it for you. So just comment and like this video and that's pretty much it. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.